Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit dollar in your Redotpay apps. At first, you need to click your apps and open. Then you can see I have balance, and after here you can need to click deposit. After clicking deposit, you can see there are few options. I select number 5 USD, and here from you can see Binance Pay. You need to click Binance Pay. After clicking Binance Pay, you need to select how much amount you need. Then you can see I have $8 and the transaction fee. After security verification, you can see I confirm security verification and the payment successful. You can see I have $5 in my account. Now I have $13 in my account. So this is a very easy and simple system to deposit your dollar into Redotpay account from Binance. Thank you.